Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, loosen the 2 screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 7 screws securing the cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and unplug the cables to lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Tighten the screws and plug in the cables to secure it. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.